All right, I'm here with Howard Berg at CCIF Toronto. Howard, how are you tonight?
I'm excellent. How are you?
I'm great. So what are you looking for today at CCIF?
Mostly networking, seeing what the industry is going to do in the future.
Yeah, awesome. So we just started 2020. Do you have any predictions for trends this year, things that the industry might have to deal with?
I think because I'm in the glass business, calibration is the hot button right now.
Yeah, everything comes with ADIS nowadays. It's always a problem.
Yeah.
Do you think technology will continue to pose a problem in the new year, or do you think it's something that we have under our belts now?
I think if the industry doesn't keep up with it, it's going to hinder it. Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. As for training initiatives and anything like that, do you think there's anything that could help?
I think it's up to the manufacturers to really push it down. Right now, calibration is the hot button, like I said, and not everybody's doing it.
Yeah.
And the dealerships aren't doing it. So, yeah, I think that's a big issue.
Key. All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Howard, and have a great night.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.